Although we provide multiple value-added products, mirror manufacturing is still our core business. The majority of the silvering companies in the United States are very old. The equipment is old, and we have done something about that. So some of the things that we've done over the last 5-6 years is we essentially have rebuilt our silvering line from beginning to end. And consequently, we are not only silvering extremely well, but we're utilizing a substrate that has high quality to it. So what does that mean for you? You're going to get the best quality mirror that you've seen from us in a very, very long time. As far as delivery equipment, we have it all. Whether you need a boom on a truck for us to boom it off to you inside your facility, or a flatbed truck, we have basically everything to deliver to any type customer.